Hello everyone, welcome to ASTECH. In our channel, we will show some tricks and tips. So watch this video until the very end.
So guys, let's start our video. In this video I will show you 3 amazing tools for images. You can use it for enhancing the quality of your video. You can use it enhancing the quality of your picture, removing the background of your picture. These are amazing AI tools that you can use for your images. So let's start. First of all, I will show you the pictures. Here I have the picture in which you can see there is a watermark on this picture. So first you have to go on Google Chrome and search watermark remover. You have to go for this and then you have to upload your image. And as you can see, I am uploading my watermark image. Now it's uploading. So as you can see, it's removed my watermark. So guys, your watermark is removed. So the next tool is that I will show you how you can remove your background by using AI technology. Here is a background remover. You have to upload your image. I am selecting this picture. So my picture is uploaded and as you can see, it's removed the background of your picture. And the next important AI tool is that you can enhance your picture quality by using this tool. Its name is cutout.pro. So I am uploading this picture. So as you can see, my picture is enhanced and now I am downloading it. So this is my enhancing picture. Now I will show you the picture that I downloaded from Google. This is the picture that I download from Google and as you can see, it is pixelating, but this picture is much better than our previous one.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support. Like, subscribe and share. Meet you in the next one.